Welcome to the first in the series of game design, installing Unity. The first thing that you need to do is to download the Unity program. And it's important when you look in the directions that it says to choose Unity 5.6.1. That's because if you choose a newer version, then it might not match what the lessons are telling you to do. Now you're going to have to download more than just the program. You'll also notice that they've got an installer, and further down it talks about downloading the standard assets and the example project. So let's go ahead and go to the website. When you open the download page, you need to click on the Unity 5.x and then scroll down and find 5.6.1 and go to the Windows or the Mac, depending on what type of system you have. So you want to do the Unity installer, and that's going to start downloading. Just choose a place to save it. I normally save these on my desktop. These are just the installer, so when I save it on the desktop, after I've run it, I can delete it. So I save that on my desktop. Then I'm going to go back to this page. Again, I need to go to the Unity 5.x, get the 5.6.1, and go to my download, and you're going to select either the 64 or the 30-bit. My computer handles 64, so I'm going to select that. And then I'm going to save that. And I'm going to go back to the 5.6.1, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to get the standard assets and the example project. So standard assets, save that, and the example project, make sure I'm on the right one, 5.61, and the example project. And save that. As soon as those are finished downloading, then we're going to go ahead and minimize this. And here on your desktop, you will see the different programs that you just downloaded. So there's the Unity Download Assistant. That's the one I want to run first. So I'm going to run this one and say, yes, I want it to make changes. And then I'm going to do the setup for this. Here we go. So do next and accept the license and next. And I'm going to do the 64-bit next. And I'm just going to go ahead and tell it I want the. So I'm getting the Unity 5.6, the documentation, the standard assets, and the example project. Those are the other things I downloaded, but the download assistant is going to go ahead and load all of those. So I'm going to go to next, and next, and it's going through. Okay, you will see that it started installing now, the actual program, and it takes a while to install everything, but it will install everything without you having to run each one. Once it is finished downloading, then you go ahead and click, and I've got Launch Unity here. I go ahead and click on Finish, and it'll take a moment, and then the program will pop up on the screen. Make sure that you select a Unity Personal and click Next. And you're going to, down here it says, I don't use Unity in a professional capacity, and click Next. And it's working on it here. And then you can start using it. And the very first thing you're going to do is to open the Standard Assets Example Project. And I'll cover that in another video.